Number 1 rope pushdown. Target the lateral of the triceps for outer arms definition. Attach the rope cable to the cable machine and stand straight with your elbow close to the body. Pull the rope cable down and fully extend your arms. Hold it for a few seconds. Squeeze the triceps down and slowly bringing them back to the starting position. Try to keep your body stable and do 3 sets of and 12 to 15 repetitions and add a 1 drop set in the last, in which you do as many repetitions as possible while working on the weight. Number 2 rope overhead extension. Perfect for hitting the long head of the triceps, which increase overall size. Attach the rope cable to the lowest lock of the machine as shown in the video. Stand with your back to the machine and hold the rope cable behind your head, keeping your elbow stable. Pull the rope cable up until your entire arms is straight. Then slowly lower it to the starting position. If you want to give your triceps a horseshoe shape, then definitely add this exercise to your routine. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions of it. Number 3 Smith machine close grip bench press. A great compound movement to grow your tricep as well as chest and shoulder muscle and increase your strength and size. Lean on the flat bench in the center of the Smith machine and set the barbell at chest level and hold it with the close grip. Press the barbell up, keep your elbow close to your body and hold it for a 1 to 2 seconds and slowly lower it toward your chest. Select the medium weight to maintaining proper form and avoid locking your elbow upward. Do 3 sets of and 8 to 12 repetitions. Number 4 cable crossover tricep extension. This is a very good isolating exercise to target the middle and lateral of the triceps and to get a good cutting in the triceps. You use a cross cable machine in this, so set the handle on the upper lock of the both sides of the machine and stand in the middle of the machine and holding the handle with opposite hand. Then pull the handle downward till the whole arm is straight. Then slowly bringing it up, keeping your wrist naturally to avoid strain. Select the right weight and do 3 sets of and 12 to 15 repetitions. Number 5 straight bar cable push down. A classic tricep builder that increases the size and strength. Attach the straight bar or easy bar handle to the cable machine and stand straight in front of the machine with your knees slightly bent. Push the cable down until your triceps are squeezed. Then hold it for a 1 to 2 seconds. Then slowly raise the bar back to the starting position. Keep your elbow locked to your side throughout the movement and focusing on smooth, controlled motion. You should also do 3 sets of and 12 to 15 repetitions and if possible add a 1 drop set in the last. Number 6 dumbbell kickback. This is a great finishing exercise that isolates the triceps and help improve definition. In this, stand with the dumbbell in one hand and other hand and your knees with the support of a flat bench, keeping your elbow close to the body. Kick the dumbbell back until your arms is straight. Then squeeze your tricep and bring in the dumbbell back to the starting position. Use a lightweight dumbbell to maintaining proper form. Avoid moving your arms and focusing on control with both hands. Do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 repetitions.